Today's tip is to ask why 5 times. If I had an hour to solve a problem and my life depended on the solution, I would spend the first 55 minutes determining the proper question to ask. Once I know the proper question, I could solve the problem in less than 5 minutes. That quote is attributed to Albert Einstein, although there is still a little debate about that. However, the idea is valuable, and it's what I wanted to focus on today. If we ask the right questions, we will then find a clear picture of the actual problem, and the answer to that problem also becomes clear. Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Industries, took this a step further when he developed the 5 whys technique in the 1930s. The 5 whys is a system of using questions, around 5 of them, to come to the heart of the problem at hand. It became popular in the 1970s, and Toyota still uses it to solve problems today. By simply asking why 5 times, the nature of the problem as well as its solution can become clear. We can use the 5 whys in our own life to figure out why we're not reaching our goals and to formulate a solution to clear this hurdle. Often at the root cause of our obstacles are habits that aren't working well or simply don't exist. By asking why 5 times, we can drill right to the core and strategize a solution. Here's an example of how the 5 whys can be used in this way. Here's the problem. I ate pizza for dinner even though I'm trying to eat healthier. The first question, why did you eat pizza for dinner? The answer, I didn't feel like cooking. Why didn't you feel like cooking? I had a bad day. Why did you have a bad day? My boss criticized me. Why did your boss criticize you? I'm underperforming. Why are you underperforming? I've been going to bed late and I'm tired during the day. Now, not only have you identified the real reason you made a decision that went against your healthy eating intention, a response to fatigue and stress, but you've also identified a potential solution, focusing on getting more sleep. The 5 whys is helpful in uncovering effective solutions to our problems. When we dig a little deeper beyond our initial reflexive and superficial response, we're more likely to find the truth and a path forward. The 5 whys is also useful as a goal-setting strategy. It helps you to get in touch with your true motivation and intentions and provides a clear path to achieving your goals. It's also something that you can come back to when you run into hurdles along the way. In the case of goal setting, the 5 whys looks like this. The goal. I want to lose 20 pounds. Why number 1? Why do you want to lose 20 pounds? Because I weigh too much right now. Why is weighing too much a problem for me? Because I'm worried that I am unhealthy. Why does it matter if I'm unhealthy? Because I want to live a long and healthy life and be around my children. Why is it important to be around my children? Because I want to see them graduate, get married, and I want to have the energy to play with my grandchildren. Using the 5 whys strategy, you have now discovered that the weight loss goal isn't just about the excess 20 pounds. It's about living a long, full, and happy life with the ultimate goal of playing with your grandchildren. That motivation is infinitely more meaningful and will help you down the road when your motivation and discipline are waning. One more strategy for using the 5 whys is to determine the most effective path to reaching your goals. Using that weight loss goal from before, it looks like this. Why do you want to lose weight? Because I'm too heavy. Why are you too heavy? Because I have an unhealthy diet. Why do you have an unhealthy diet? Because I'm tired at the end of my workday and it's easier to grab takeout on the way home. Why is it easier to grab takeout? Because I never have a plan or the ingredients to cook, so it takes too much time and effort. And there you go. Wanting to lose weight is one thing. Making a little time in your weekend to meal plan or meal prep for the week is one solution or habit that will help you reach that goal. So, if you have a problem that's keeping you stuck or a goal that you want to reach, try using the 5 whys. Start with your problem or goal and ask your first why. When you get an answer, ask why again and continue in this manner until you've either identified your motivation to achieve your goal or the real cause of the problem you're facing. Ask the right questions and you will find the right solutions. When you dive a little deeper into your real motivation for change, you will find that reaching those goals becomes a whole lot easier. Willpower not required. Thanks so much for listening. I'd love to hear from you, so send me your tips, questions, or feedback. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Fired Up Fitness Coaching, or email me at willpowernotrequired@firedupfitness.ca. Thanks so much. I look forward to connecting with you.